Alrighty, more triads. And what we're going to do, we were talking about having that shape there. Okay. Previous video there. And what we had is that we're playing kind of like what we had in another video dealing with melody, where we had a melody line covering strings 2 and 1. In that case, we had 2 notes on one string and 2 notes on another string. And then we dealt with, let's say, for instance, 1 note on this string and 3 on another. Okay? So we can do the same thing with triads, just not quite as many notes because we only have 3. It's a triad, remember? All right. So with these 3 notes, we have D, F sharp, and A. Okay? And so I'm playing 1 on this string and 2 on the next. Same thing with all of these, okay? Anyway, so what I'm going to talk about now are putting them 1 per string, okay? So if we have 3 notes, we go 1 per string, we need 3 strings. So we can't start here because we don't have another string. But we can start here. See that? And then we have this shape. Drop an octave. Same octave here, okay? And what's happening, this is what I want you to know, is that the shapes are different, okay? Because of our tuning warp in strings 3 and 2. See, I'm vertical here for this sound. Split by a fret for this sound. Here, we're diagonal by a fret instead of vertical. Here we're diagonal by a fret instead of split by 1. Okay, see that? All right. And again, it's because of the tuning warp between strings 3 and 2. So that shape is a little closer. Instead of being split, there. Instead of being vertical here, now it's split because we're on 4 and 3. Okay? So again, 3 and 2 are taking what would be split and raising the second string. The note for the second string, its physical placement is coming up a fret. Okay, so that's what I want you to see. Okay? And then we have the same shape here because strings 5, 4, and 3 and 6, 5, and 4 have the same tuning interval system. It's called a fourth. You don't have to remember that. But basically, the distance between the sound distance between these 2 notes and these 2 notes and these 2 notes are the same. So when we do a set like that, they keep the same shape, whatever the chord form, okay, or scale form or arpeggio form, whatever we're doing. The same is true for strings 2 and 1. Okay. But because we're talking about sets of 3 strings, it's irrelevant, okay, in that case, okay? So we're still talking about 5, 4, and 3, 6, 5, and 4, okay? So that's the idea. Here's how we have it here, and here, then dropping.